Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 32326. The job location is in Irvine, California. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: experience in test automation using PyTest, Python, experience working on AWS and automating AWS platform, testing knowledge on file-based integration and transformation. Good to have Airflow and PySpark experience. Point of contact from Infosys project team against applications assigned to him under testing project. Manage all Infosys day-to-day project activities in accordance with published WBS and approved SOW. POC for data testing, PySpark. Coordination with multiple teams for patching. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 5 years. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.